Hello my friends and visitors of my channel. My name is Felix and today I would like to explain about some interesting stuff. Like you can see, I do my video mostly in Russian language because a lot of people who live in previous Soviet countries, they're really interested in what kind of life we have here in America. So this is why most of my videos in Russian. But sometimes I see people visiting my channel who do not understand, who they don't understand Russian, but they're really interested in what I'm talking about in my videos. So this is why today I decided to do some tutorial how to adjust your video player, YouTube video player, and watch video about my view of life in America. So let's start it with this. Just click on setting, choose adjustment, and you can do auto translation. And now you see list of languages you can choose from, so you can speak Russian, English, all different languages. Choose which one's the best for you, and it will be easy to understand what I'm talking in my video. So let's do it. Choose your language, and it will be I hope you will enjoy my video, and actually you will understand what I explained to my Russian audience. So I hope you will like it, and probably you will see more, you will understand more about life in America, how I see it and what I describe to my audience. I hope it will helpful to you and you will enjoy to view all my video. Always welcome to my channel and all the best to you. Bye bye.